Deep in the heart of South America lies a realm of astonishing biodiversity, the Amazon rainforest, a sprawling green metropolis teeming with life. Now, imagine a new resident in this bustling city, the gorilla, a powerful primate known for its strength and social bonds. We often associate gorillas with the dense jungles of Central Africa, not the Amazon. But let's, for a moment, imagine these gentle giants navigating the Amazon's intricate web of life. How would they adapt? What challenges might they face? This isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a thought experiment, a way to understand the delicate balance of nature and the incredible adaptability of even the most imposing creatures. Join me as we delve into this fascinating hypothetical scenario, exploring the potential impact of gorillas on the Amazon rainforest and vice versa. The Amazon rainforest is not for the faint of heart. It's a world of intense humidity where the air hangs heavy and damp, much like a sauna after a particularly strenuous workout. Temperatures can soar, making you wish for a cool breeze and a tall glass of iced tea. Rainfall is abundant, transforming the forest floor into a network of soggy pathways and swollen streams. Imagine trying to find a dry spot to enjoy a cup of coffee. Quite the challenge. For gorillas accustomed to the slightly cooler, less humid forests of Africa, the Amazon's climate would be a significant adjustment. Think of it as swapping a cozy cabin for a tropical beach house, a change of pace, to say the least. But gorillas are nothing if not adaptable. They've proven their resilience time and again. So perhaps with a bit of time and a whole lot of sweat, they could find their footing in this steamy paradise. Gorillas are herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of plants, fruits, and the occasional insect snack. Think of them as the original vegans, always on the lookout for a leafy green or a juicy piece of fruit. The Amazon, with its abundance of vegetation, would seem like a paradise for these plant-loving primates. It's like a 24/7 salad bar, offering a smorgasbord of delicious and nutritious treats. However, gorillas are also territorial creatures, fiercely protective of their family groups and their patch of jungle. Imagine a gorilla family having a "stay off my lawn" sign, except it's more like "stay out of my banana tree." In the Amazon, they'd have to establish their turf amongst a whole new cast of characters, from jaguars and pumas to anacondas and caimans. It'd be like moving into a new neighborhood with some rather interesting neighbors, to say the least. The Amazon is a melting pot of biodiversity, a place where creatures of all shapes and sizes coexist. You've got your slow and steady sloths, your brightly colored macaws, and your stealthy jaguars, each with their own unique way of life. Now introduce a group of gorillas into the mix. These large social primates with their booming chest beats and complex social structures would certainly stand out from the crowd. It'd be like having a family reunion in a library, a noticeable shift in energy. Imagine a silverback gorilla, the undisputed leader of his troop, coming face to face with a sloth, the epitome of relaxation. The contrast would be comical, like a scene straight out of a buddy comedy. Yet, despite their differences, these animals would all be vying for the same resources: food, water, and shelter. It would be a fascinating dance of adaptation and competition, as each species navigates the challenges of sharing their rainforest home. Jungle Rumble gorillas versus Amazon Round 1. Introducing gorillas into the Amazon rainforest wouldn't be without its challenges. It'd be like merging onto a busy highway during rush hour, potential chaos. Jaguars, pumas, and large snakes like anacondas would pose significant threats. It'd be like navigating a minefield of teeth and claws. The Amazon is home to pathogens that could prove deadly. But gorillas are incredibly adaptable creatures. They could find a way to thrive. Gorillas finding their groove. Despite the challenges, gorillas possess unique qualities that could actually benefit the Amazon rainforest. It's like realizing that new neighbor with the loud music collection also makes a mean batch of cookies, a pleasant surprise. Gorillas are known as seed dispersers, meaning they play a crucial role in spreading the seeds of the plants they eat. Imagine them as accidental gardeners, unknowingly helping to regenerate the forest as they move from one feeding ground to the next. Their presence could also have a positive impact on the populations of certain plant species. By consuming specific types of vegetation, gorillas could help to control their growth, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. It'd be like natural lawn care, ensuring a healthy balance within the rainforest. Of course, these are just hypothetical scenarios, but they highlight the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the ripple effects that even seemingly small changes can have. Feast for the senses, gorillas and the Amazon's bounty. The Amazon rainforest is a sensory overload, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Imagine the cacophony of bird calls, the rustling of leaves, the sweet scent of blooming flowers, a true feast for the senses. For gorillas, with their keen sense of smell and sharp eyesight, navigating this sensory wonderland would be both exhilarating and challenging. It'd be like trying to follow a conversation at a crowded party with distractions coming from all directions. Imagine a gorilla encountering the pungent aroma of a blooming Rafflesia arnoldii, also known as the corpse flower, for the first time. The look on its face would be priceless, a mix of curiosity and disgust. Or picture a gorilla family startled by the ear-piercing call of a howler monkey echoing through the dense foliage. It'd be a reminder that even in this lush paradise, danger and the unexpected are always lurking nearby. Friends or foes, gorillas and the rainforest's locals, the Amazon is home to a dazzling array of creatures, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. Each species plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. Introducing gorillas into this mix would undoubtedly create ripples, potentially leading to both competition and cooperation among the rainforest's inhabitants. It'd be like throwing a wrench into a well-oiled machine. Some parts might malfunction, while others might function even better than before. Gorillas, with their herbivorous diet, would likely compete with other plant-eating animals for resources, such as fruits, leaves, and shoots. Imagine a standoff between a gorilla and a tapir at a fruit tree, each vying for the ripest morsels. However, gorillas could also indirectly benefit other species. Their foraging habits, for example, could create clearings in the undergrowth, providing new habitats for smaller animals or promoting the growth of certain plant species. It'd be an example of unintended consequences, where one species' actions have far-reaching effects on others. The ripple effect. Gorillas shaking up the Amazon. The introduction of gorillas into the Amazon rainforest could have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. Imagine it like dropping a pebble into a still pond. The ripples spread outward, impacting everything in their path. For instance, gorillas, with their large size and strength, could alter the physical structure of the forest. Their movements might create new trails or clearings, influencing the distribution of plants and animals. It'd be like unintentional landscaping, reshaping the rainforest's layout. Their feeding habits could also impact seed dispersal, potentially favoring certain plant species over others. This could lead to changes in plant community composition, ultimately influencing the entire food web. It'd be like a domino effect, with one change triggering a chain reaction throughout the ecosystem. These are just a few examples of how the presence of gorillas could reverberate throughout the Amazon rainforest, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things within this complex and delicate web of life. A glimpse into a gorilla-fied Amazon. Imagine trekking through the dense undergrowth of the Amazon, the air thick with humidity, and the calls of exotic birds. Suddenly, you stumble upon a clearing and witness a family of gorillas, peacefully foraging amidst the lush vegetation. The silverback keeps a watchful eye on his troop, while youngsters tumble and play, their laughter echoing through the trees. It's a scene of unexpected harmony, a testament to nature's boundless capacity for adaptation. You marvel at their resilience, thriving in this unfamiliar environment. The Amazon's vastness and biodiversity can accommodate even the most extraordinary newcomers. This glimpse into a gorilla-fied Amazon reminds us that nature is full of surprises and valuable lessons about adaptation and coexistence. Could it be? Gorillas in the Amazon? Fact or fiction? Of course, the idea of gorillas thriving in the Amazon rainforest remains firmly in the realm of speculation. There are significant geographical and ecological barriers preventing such a scenario from unfolding in reality. Gorillas are native to the forests of Central Africa, separated from the Amazon by a vast ocean. Natural migration between these two continents is highly improbable, if not impossible. Furthermore, the introduction of a non-native species like gorillas into a delicate ecosystem like the Amazon could have unforeseen and potentially detrimental consequences. It's a reminder that while our imaginations can run wild, we must always prioritize the preservation of natural habitats and the delicate balance of life on Earth. So, while the image of gorillas roaming the Amazon might remain a captivating what if, it serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet and the importance of protecting the delicate web of life that sustains us all.